We all know what happened at the Chernobyl site in Ukraine. Well, there's a locked room in the basement of the Chernobyl plant. It goes by the name Room 305/2. Nuclear scientists monitoring the Chernobyl plant have recently detected a steady spike in the number of neutrons in Room 305/2. This room is not accessible to anyone and is filled with heavy rubble. It contains a hardened radioactive mix of uranium, zirconium, graphite, and sand. Neutrons strike and split the nuclei of uranium atoms, thereby generating energy. According to experts, the rising neutron levels imply that new fission reactions are occurring inside the locked room. A steel and concrete cage was built around the damaged reactor in the year 1987, but even this cage may crumble after a future explosion. No human being can go anywhere near the abandoned basement in Chernobyl, owing to the deadly health hazards. However, radiation-resistant robots might be able to install neutron-absorbing control rods in Room 305/2. Very soon, Ukraine is going to share a detailed plan on Room 305/2. Let's hope for the best meanwhile.